Good morning, children. Today we will study about the formal letters. In first term, we have done informal letters. Now, this time we will be doing formal letters. Now, the what formal letter is? Formal letters are specially written for only official purposes or to letter to the editor, the principal, the municipal commissioner, or should be brief and precise, formal tone and polite expression, preferably left side of the page. Now actually these letters are written for these purposes. Now we call it formal because we the language that is used in these types of letters, it is very formal. Means you cannot use friendly language like hello, how are you. You are not supposed to write such things in formal letters. The language, the selection of words should be very carefully taken. Okay, so these letters are written in brief, and it should be precise, because whatever the purpose of your writing these letter is, it should fulfill that purpose only. You know, need not to add some extra details. Okay, now the formal tone and polite. The language should be very formal and polite language should be there. So most of the time it is written in the towards the left hand side. Now the see the structure of the letter. Structure of the letter, just see. The first one is the sender's address is put at the top right hand side. So uh, sender's address means whosoever is writing the letter, his or her address should be written towards your left hand side at the top. Then after finishing the address within 2-3 lines, then the next is, if you want to include your telephone number or email id, you have to write that also. Then next, the address of the person receiving the letter, means to whom you are writing the letter, the address of that person is supposed to be written. The next is date. Then the greeting means dear sir, dear father, dear principal, right, some dear ma'am. So such greetings has to be written. Then the next is the message, means the subject of your writing the letter, right. Then after greeting the subject, and then the body part. Message means the body part, whatever the content you're supposed to write in the letter, you have to write after the uh, subject. Okay, then complimentary close. At the end you write yours faithfully, yours sincerely, yours obediently, and then next your signature, and then your name. See, signature is optional. If you can should you better write your name. And sometimes it is the names are not written, and at the end we end up by saying yours sincerely xyz or abc. Okay, so this is how the structure of letter is. Now the see the layout. Now see the things. The writer's address, right here it is given, uh, a 225 mayur vihar phase 1 address, means Delhi 94. This is the address who is going to write the letter. Then date, then the address of the receiver to whom the letter is being written, the address, YZX Technology C12 Azad Nagar East Delhi so and so. This is the address. Then the subject, why you are writing the letter. The brief subject has to be written, just like you people have to write the application to the principal. So for suppose for fees concession you are writing, so you will write requesting for fees concession. Okay, now the salutation means respected madam or dear sir after the subject part. Then main body, whatever the information you have to write in the letter, then you write. And at the end, the subscription, yours truly or obediently, then name of the person. If the name and address of the person is given in the question, then you will write the same, or otherwise you will write your name. Okay, so you just see this sample letter. It is a letter to the editor. Write a letter to the editor of the Times of India complaining about the nuisance created by the use of loudspeakers. You are Piyush Sharma, a resident of Sector 15, Vasundhara Enclave, New Delhi. So the address here the address is given. Here the address is already given, so you are supposed to assume yourself as Piyush Sharma and your address is Sector 15, Vasundhara Enclave, New Delhi. Okay, so at that, as we have done the layout, just see the top, at the top we write the address of the sender who is writing the letter. So here Vasundhara Enclave and so whatever is address given in the question, here we have written so. Then the date, then the address of the person to whom we are writing the letter. Here we are writing the letter to the editor of Times of India, so we will write the address, the editor, the Times of India, New Delhi. Then subject, this is because we are nuisance created by loudspeaker, so we are writing the subject regarding the indiscriminate use of loudspeaker. Now dear sir, it is written wrong here. Dear sir has to be written in the next line. Okay, so dear sir, the salutation part, then the body part you see, then at the end your signature, the name, your closing complimentary, your truly Piyush Sharma in the beginning. In the question it is written that you have to assume yourself Piyush, so in the end your name. So this is how the formal letter is written.